Hi friends, this is a short video on plank progressions. So, if you're unsure on how to do a plank properly and safely and effectively, I have a video for that. It's called How to Plank. But this is kind of assuming that you know how to do a standard plank safely. And we'll be adding on to it with a progression that I call plank marches or plank marching, either. I don't want to hype this up too much, but this is a really effective pose and I love it and hate it because it's hard, but it targets all parts of your abs. So think your front abs, your deep abs, your obliques. It's also going to call upon your hip flexors because we're going to be kind of marching with a plank, so you're kind of driving the knee underneath your body all the time. I want to emphasize that we move with control. So we don't start going at a crazy tempo, we don't get out of control. Find a nice little pace with it where you're kind of moving with your breath and you're moving at a pace. Control, control, control. All right, so let's break it down. Plank marching, where we're gonna find a full plank first. Lifting up out of the shoulders, squeezing the core, and pressing through the heels. We're gonna start by bringing the left knee to the outside of the left elbow. Step it back with control, and then the right side, step it back with control. Then we're gonna add in almost like a crunch. We're kind of round and step it back. You're bringing your knee toward your nose. Step it back. And then we'll do knee to opposite elbow. So we bring it across the body, and then we'll do the right side across the body. So we'll take those three exercises where we're bringing the knee in different areas with control, and we'll do each side, and that will equal 1 rep. So let's give it a try. Let's do it together. Let's go for 2 rounds, or 2 reps. So starting your plank, let's bring left knee to outside of elbow, step it back. Right knee to outside of elbow, step it back. Round, knee to nose, step it back. Other side, knee to nose, step it back. Left side, opposite. Now bring your right knee to opposite. That's 1. Let's do it again. Left knee to outside of elbow, and then right. And then knee to nose, and then knee to nose, and then opposite, step it back with control, opposite, step it back. All right, so for starters, just get the technique down so that you're moving in a safe and healthy way and you're getting the tempo down in a way where you can move with control. Once you kind of understand it and you've practiced it, maybe trying to add in, I don't know, maybe 3 reps for 3 rounds or something that works for you. Start small, make sure you can do it safely, and then you can always add reps and rounds into your normal routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Small Town Yogini, or follow my blog at smalltownyogini.com. Thanks so much. Have a good day.